In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dropdown in Zoho Sheet, a feature that's incredibly useful for organizing and streamlining your data entry tasks. Let's dive right into it. First, you're going to want to select the cell or range of cells where you envision your dropdown residing. This is your starting point, and it's important to think about where this dropdown will be most effective within your spreadsheet. Imagine it as a tool that can not only save time, but also reduce errors when entering data manually. Once you've selected your cell or range, direct your attention to the top menu. Navigate over to Insert, then click on Pick List, and finally choose Create Pick List. This will launch a side panel on your screen where all the magic of creating dropdowns happens. In this panel, you'll be presented with a choice. You can either select Single Select or Multi-Select. Now, what does that mean for you? Well, if you opt for Single Select, the dropdown will allow only one option to be selected at a time. This is perfect when you want to enforce a specific choice, like choosing a category such as Approved or Pending. On the other hand, Multi-Select enables multiple selections, which is handy when you want users to choose several items from a given list, like selecting multiple tasks assigned to a single person. Now that you've decided which selection type suits your needs, it's time to define the data source. Essentially, this is where you input or reference the list of options that users can choose from. Consider this list as the backbone of your dropdown. You might pull inspiration from existing data or create a fresh, new list tailored to your requirements. Once this list is defined, you're almost at the finish line. But before you wrap it up, take a moment for some visual formatting. Setting background and font colors isn't just about aesthetics. These visual cues can help make the dropdown more intuitive and user-friendly. Different colors can be used to signify various categories or statuses, enhancing the overall readability and accessibility of your data. Once you're satisfied with both your selections and the way your dropdown looks, go ahead and click on Create to apply the pick list to your chosen cells. And there you have it, a fully functional, visually appealing dropdown in your Zoho sheet, ready to assist with efficient data input. With this new skill in your toolkit, you'll be able to manage your data more effectively than ever before. Thanks for tuning in to learn how to create efficient and practical dropdowns in Zoho Sheet. I hope this helps you optimize your workflow and makes handling data a breeze. See you in the next video.